Hello, everyone. Happy Independence Day to all of you. I'm Dr. Shanara. I'm here today because I have a message for youth of our country on this historic day that is Independence Day. Today, we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. I'm filled with a sense of pride and immense gratitude. It is a day to honor the sacrifice of those who fought for our freedom, and it is also a day to reflect how far we come as a nation. But more importantly, it is a day to look forward, to envision we want to build a future nation and to recognize the crucial role that our youth will play in shaping the future. So let's understand the power of youth. India is a young nation with 65% of population under the age of 35. This demographic dividend is not just a statistic, it is the greatest asset. The energy, the creativity, and the passion of our youth have the potential to transform India into a global superpower. But for this potential to be realized, we must focus on youth development in a way that is strategic, inclusive, forward thinking. So, education and skill development will help in shaping the future of our nation. As the pillar of youth development is education. In 21st century, education is the foundation upon which future is built. But we must recognize the education today is not just about academic knowledge. It is about the developing skills that are relevant in rapid changing world. This means greater emphasis on STEM education, science, technology, engineering, mathematics education, but also on critical thinking, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. So, we need to bridge the gap between traditional education and the demand of modern workforce. The vocational training, apprenticeship, and the entrepreneurship program should be expanded to ensure that every young person in India has the opportunity to build a career that is both fulfilling and contributes to nation's growth. As I conclude, I want to leave you with a message of hope and determination. The future of India lies in your hands, the hands of youth. You have the power to shape the nation's destiny, to make India a superpower, not just in terms of economic might, but as a beacon of hope, innovation, moral leadership. On this Independence Day, let us place to work together to build a future where every young individual has an opportunity to reach their full potential. Let us commit to development of our youth as a key to unlocking the immense possibilities that lies ahead. Thank you very much. And once again, happy Independence Day to you all. Thank you very much.